Hi everybody, this is Jenny again. Today I will show you our first new kitchen for you. This is a kitchen, lacquer kitchen finish on shaker style, and it's very suitable for apartments or small household family. So if you are looking for this kind of kitchens, please come and follow me. I will divide these kitchens to 4 parts to introduce for you. The first part is the machine area and the washing area and the cooker's area, and the up position, the wall cabinet area. So first part, let's come to see this common cabinet. As you can see, when I open this cabinet, this is a common one type, right? It has 3 pieces of shape to store some machine in, and I will show you what's the difference from other common cabinets. As you can see, the door panel can push inside the gap nearby the cabinet, so it becomes an open cabinet now, right? You can put your coffee machines or oven machine inside, so when you wake up in mornings, you will cooking yourself a cup of coffees, and then you can start your lovely days. And then when you finish, you just need to put out the door panel and then close it. It will make the whole kitchen look more neat. And then to avoid some dust get inside, even you didn't use it for a few days, to protect your machine. So let's go to the down. Guess it's what? It's a women's love or dishwashing machine. So we not only make a surprise cabinet, we also provide you some appointments. So if you purchase appointments from us, we can make them door panel as the kitchen. So that's the charming amenities for customized kitchen cabinets. Okay, let's move to the washing area. As you can see, it's a seat base which made by 304 material. It is durable, and you can find out the tap tops it can take from the water tap. So you can easier to washing your vegetable and the meat in the row position beside the seat bench. So let's come down to see what the seat bench cabinet look. As you can see the bottom of the cabinet, we have aluminum paper to protect the bottom board of the whole cabinet, and you can use more longer. So you can see the pipes of the sink will take out some place. So we also have the trash bin in the left side and another hood side baskets in the right side. So you can just pull out the trash bins and put your garbage inside. And in the right side, we have the hood side baskets. You can hang in some a scissor or some cleaners in the right side, and then you can use it very convenient. Okay, let's have a look of this special design. It is a corner area, so maybe some people didn't have the designs experience of this part will confusing how to make the most use of this corner area. So let's have a look. It is called revolving corner baskets. We use it, you can put your kitchen stuff on the baskets, and you pull out the baskets. The stuff on the basket will come out together. So it is very useful accessory for corner basis cabinets. When you finish, you just need to put inside, so you can use the whole corner area. Now we come to the cookers area. It is one kind of our built-in cookers supplied by us. So while you are cooking, you have to use your range hood machine, right? So let me show you how this kind of range hood working. You just need to put down and will start work, and you can turn off the light or you can close it, and just need to push inside. In the upper position, it has a common cabinet. So this part will move to the up position, the wall cabinet. I want to show you the most surprise one is this. We call this elevator rake. You can put down and it will easily to take or put something into the rake, and it will be humanized design for up position. So when you finish, you just need to push down, push back, and then close the door. So we have other capacity in wall cabinet for you to store some kitchen tool. So okay, we finished the third part. Let's move to the fourth part. So the first part I want to introduce for you is this countertop. This countertop we usually use coarse stone, which is not easy to crash it while delivery. So didn't contain radiation. It's very helpful for bodies. So one more open cabinet here is we can make same lacquer carcass inside as the door panel. You can put something you usually use in your daily life here. And today, do you like this kind of kitchens? If you like it, just come and follow us and give